This video is going to walk through a solution for the second problem from the District 2018 Computer Science Contest called Bayani. In this problem, we're given a list of expenses, each on a separate line in a data file, greater than 0, less than 1,000. We want to output those expenses as shown using exactly, says the final total at the end with exactly 4 spaces to be allocated for the whole number portion after the $sign for each value. So we're looking for an output that's exactly like this. This is another printf problem. So I've already got my class made here. You'll notice that it still says GAN. There we go, Bayani. There we go. So we've got our class Bayani, we've got our main method, we've got our scanner. Now for this particular problem, again, if I go back to what we're given here, we're given an unknown number of doubles. So I'm going to go ahead and start my while loop, while in dot has next, and then I want to double. I'm just going to call that I don't know, expense equals in dot next double. So it's going to read in the next double and store it into expense. Now I want to print this out, but I also want to accumulate it, so I need to add another variable here. So I'm going to make a double called total and set that equal to 0. Right, and that's just going to be exactly what it sounds like. It's going to be the accumulator. So accumulate expenses. All right, so let's see here. We'll go ahead and say total plus equals expense. And then again, looking at what we want to output, we want to output a $sign and then that expense. So I'm going to use out.printf, a $sign, and then this is a floating point with 2 decimals, so I'm going to say percent %.2f. And it also says very specifically we want exactly, if we count this, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things wide. So we have to include the decimal point when we count. It says no commas, so that won't come in. So we'll go ahead and say we know exactly 7 wide, and that's expense. Okay, and then at the end we want to say out.printf. And again, we want to say the word total with a capital T, a space equals space, and then a $sign, and then this exact same format. Let's say total equals $sign percent %7.2f, and that's coming from total. Save. Let's go ahead and run our code. And again, I've got everything on the same line, so I forgot my new line at the end of this one, and at the end of this one. Save again, run again. And that's pretty close to what we want, except for these $signs aren't aligned. So a little bit of counting tells me we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces before the $sign. So one way to do that is just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces before the $sign. Now if we run our code, that looks right. Let's go ahead and take a look at bayani.out and compare. Everything there looks correct. My output, my total is correct. 0.78. Looking at the little things. 564.00. So everything looks good to me. So again, here's our solution. Yeah, that's all there is to it.